modern graphic t-shirts amazing. In some ways, they are like wearable art. You can always tell something about someone's personality by the t-shirt they choose to wear. It's a visual expression of what you like and what you value. And that's why they are so popular. From vintage shops to sports stores, from band t-shirts to demonstrating your support for a brand. Hola, my name is Nina and I'm from the Canva Design School. Today I'm going to show you how to design a t-shirt using Canva. Okay, for anyone who has watched one of these videos before, you know at Canva we love a template. Start at the homepage and just type t-shirt into the search bar. This will pop up a whole range of templates that are ready to go, made by designers at Canva and the Canva community. Anything with the crown on it is for pro users only. Anything without it is available to anyone. This selection is constantly updated, and so it's a great place to come back and see what's trending. So scroll down until you find something you like. Oh, this is new, I like it. Just click on the design and it will open up in a new tab. On the left, there will be a bunch of other templates. If you love one of them even more, just click on it and it will change. Everything is editable as well. For instance, I can change the text here and you can change the color here. Nice, that's much more me. When you're happy with it, just click on the share button here, select print your design, the one with the little track, and choose t-shirt. This will show you what the t-shirt is going to look like thanks to smart mockups. You can change it here to show it on different models. Male, female, even toddlers and babies. One of the coolest things is this preview is live. If I change the color in the editor, it will instantly update on the preview. Isn't that great? Okay, it's looking a little low at the moment. I'm going to select everything and drag it up. There, much better. Choose what color t-shirt you want, what size, style, and how many. The price at the bottom will change depending on your choices. I'll let you into a little secret. The more you order, the cheaper it is. Everything you print comes with 100% happiness guarantee too. If you are not happy with it, we promise we will make it right. So, click continue and you can add your delivery address, your payment details, and that's it. How easy is that? In another 2 minutes, I've got a t-shirt that I helped design on its way to me. It's amazing. Okay, what about when you don't want to use a template? Back to the home page and again, put t-shirt into the search bar. The very first one in this search results is a blank t-shirt design. Click on that and it will open a blank page. Now, I have a friend who owns a cafe. They want something for the staff to wear like when they are working, like a casual uniform. So I'll begin with a blank t-shirt template. This time I've been given the logo from the client. Their cafe is called Half and Half, and it's a super busy local cafe serving amazing coffee and breakfast. So I'm thinking about the cafe staff and a shirt that's going to show where they are from, but also be really graphic. I love the logo and I'm thinking I could split it up so it becomes part 1 and part 2 of the logo story. So maybe the name here so it's obvious. The customer knows where they are. And then something graphic on the back for the customer to see while the staff member is walking away. Okay, this is looking pretty good. Let's see what it looks like on a model. Just click it here on the print t-shirt button, change it to the pages you want on the front or back. Okay, looking good. But hold on, a white t-shirt for a busy cafe serving food? Maybe that's not the best idea. Let's change it to a black t-shirt. You can see straight away I'm going to need to make some changes to the logo color. On the front, I'll need to change the black to white, and the same on the back. Let's have a look at that now. Much better. This is looking great. I'm really happy with it. I just know the owner of the cafe is going to love it too. Or at least hope they are going to love it. Before I order the shirts, maybe I should check with them. In Canva, getting live feedback from others couldn't be easier. I just head up to the share button again, but this time I'm going to add in the email. Alternatively, I could change the link sharing and make it so it's publicly available. I can choose to give them edit access, commenting, or just view only. I want their feedback, but I don't want them messing with my design. So I'm going to allow them to comment. Copy the link and then text it over to them. Okay, moment of truth. I really hope they like it. Oh wow, here they come. I love how you can see the profiles pop up, even watch their cursor and see where they are focusing on. So far so good. They seem to really like it. What a relief. Okay, the final thing I want to show you is how to use smart mockups in slightly different way. Now, I have another friend in a band and they've been thinking about some merch for their live shows. Something for their fans to purchase after seeing the gig. So I think I might have to put something together for them and see if they like it. Again, I begin with a blank t-shirt template. This band is pretty heavy and has a devoted fan base, so I can be less conservative with my element choice. Let's type into the search bar, and I choose to only see graphics here. When you see something you like, drag it over to the editor. Think about things that will resonate with the audience. Might be time to find some lightning bolts. Nice. Okay, this graphic is working. Now I need to find some fonts that are going to work. I'm going to type in black letter. That should give me some Gothic letter forms that will work well. For the second part of the name, I'm going to choose a different font. The more you use Canva, the more you learn typefaces and you'll start to collect favorites. I'm going to search for tan. I've used that before and I think it will provide nice contrast to the black letter. Okay, this is starting to feel really good. I want to show the band what it looks like on different body types so they get the real sense of the final t-shirt design. This way they can give their approval in Canva and we can make adjustments right in the editor before sending it to print. Go to the Share menu and this time choose the Download option and download the design as a JPEG or a PNG image. Click the Uploads tab and upload your downloaded design back into the editor. Drag it to the editor and click on the image. And in the toolbar above the page, click on Edit Image. Look for Smart Mockups from the Editor side panel. Click on Select All to see all mockup options. Scroll down and you'll find a whole range of fashion options with models out in the streets or in photo studios. It's what we call in situ. It stands for in situation and shows the product where people are likely to come across it in its natural environment. I can choose a bunch of different models and examples by simply dragging in the image again from the Upload tab. While I'm here, I might put it on a mug as well. You never know. The band might go for it. When I have a few options for them to look at, I again go to the Share menu and add them into the design. Or download it and send it to them via email or DMs. And that's how easy it is to make and print t-shirts in Canva. Whether you are an upcoming fashion designer, marketing whiz, or an entrepreneur, I hope these tips will help you design eye-catching t-shirts. Before you know it, you'll be wearing your new creation and everyone you meet will be asking you where you got it. And that's it. Hope you learned a thing or two and now you're ready to design your own t-shirts in Canva. See you next time.